Yep, so this is the Lodestar 2 single stage C65. Countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And there we go. There it is. Oh, that's nice. I'll just stand right here, I'll catch it. Awesome. I'll just let it land, I'll try and catch it. Wow, look at that. Landed like what? 30 feet. Wow, awesome.